sea shantying. We'll have more. Take it away, boys.
Well, now we are ready to head for the horn. Away, hey, roll and go. Our boots and our clothes, boys, are all in the pot. To me, rollicking Randy Dan.
It's the rich maritime and seafaring heritage of Portaferry with sea shanties and Ulster Scots culture.
And who best to tell us all about it? GB News reporter Doogie Beattie. Morning, Doogie.
Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Stephen. Yes, welcome to beautiful Portaferry, to the Sounds and Sails Festival. And this year they have brought in the sea shantiers. And you know I love my history. Portaferry, De Rossa is the oldest constituency, the oldest part of the United Kingdom with a baronry that can be handed down through the female line. So there you go, a bit of history. St Patrick would have came up behind us here, up in Strangford Lough. So would of de Courcy, John de Courcy, etc. Of course, he married Afra, the King of Man's daughter, and united the crowns of the Isle of Man and Ireland. But that we're here for the sea shanty singing, which is something I haven't seen before, and I've seen some dreadful singing. But the boys from Cork are joining me because they're coming from all over the British Isles to sing here today. John, why do you come?
Well, I was told not to say the drink. We're here for the crack. It's the camaraderie, the shanty groups all singing together. It's great fun.
And, I mean, how many festivals would you do in a year?
20 to 25.
And one of them is the Electric Picnic.
We're at an electric picnic in 4 weeks' time for the 4th consecutive year. We're singing on the Salty Dog stage.
Dressed as pirates, I believe.
Dressed as pirates, and well, we have to disguise ourselves because they wouldn't leave us in otherwise.
And this young man here is 80 next week.
That's right, the 20th of the month, 80, yeah.
And you can still sing. Amazing. What are you going to sing for us now?
We're going to sing, George is going to sing a song called John Kanaka.
Here we go.
I thought I heard the old man say,
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
for today is the holiday.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
We'll work tomorrow, no work today.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
For today is the holiday.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
We're outward bound from Frisco Bay.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
We're outward bound at the break of day.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
And when we reach old London town,
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
sure all them floozies will come down.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
We're hardtackers, us sailors bold.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
We're a handsome crew, so I've been told.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
I thought I heard the old man say,
John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
today is a holiday.
John Kanaka Naka Tulay. Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.
There you go. More of that to come throughout the day. The festival really gets underway at 12 o'clock today.
Tulay, oh, Tulay. John Kanaka Naka Tulay.